Hiccup the Bear and the Missing Fire. Hiccup the Bear lived near Dragon Hill, where his best friend, Spark, a little dragon, loved to breathe tiny flames. One morning, Spark tried to light a candle. Puff! Nothing came out. "My fire's gone," he cried. "What if I never breathe fire again?" Hiccup scratched his head. Maybe someone stole it. They followed warm footprints through the forest, glowing slightly in the dirt. The trail led to a cave with flickering light inside. Spark hid behind Hiccup. They tiptoed in and found a bunch of baby fireflies playing with glowing stones. "Oh," said Hiccup, "it wasn't fire. They just looked like it." Just then, Spark sneezed. Achoo! And a spark shot out. "My fire is back!" Spark cheered. "Guess I just had the sniffles." Hiccup laughed. "Next time, we check your nose before chasing glowing bugs."